Welcome back everybody to the R44 YouTube channel. Today we've got a cool video. We've got some Goldenwrench JQ collabs paddle shifters. We've got a brand new BMW LCI steering wheel that are being fitted to a Mars G87 M2. This car is beautiful. It's wrapped in a Nosetech Ruby Star. Not just a wrap, it's got Vossen wheels, airlift suspension, a full MHC carbon kit, some Soku grills, R44 DRLs and more mods throughout. But let's get straight to it. We've got the brand new LCI steering wheel. This is finished in Alcantara with a red stripe, straight from BMW. You've got the airbag. You can actually retain your original airbag, but everything else inside, buy it from the links below. Look at it, it's a work of art. Flat bottom on a BMW, what do you think? I'm quite digging it. But let's get straight into it. This isn't a manual car, it's just got the paddle shifters removed. We've got these beautiful new paddle shifters from Goldenwrench X JQ. So if you don't know what JQ is, MagTrace is this beautiful adjustable magnetic paddle shifter. You can see it's a work of art and it goes, you like that. And then what Goldenwrench have done is designed their own paddle design as well as rubber back. So if you look on your G8X model, it's got red kind of like imprints or something that's just plastic. It's not actually gripped, but these are grippy. So when you want to shift, you're going to shift. So they're quite nice. These are the G series ones. They also have F series that are exactly the same shape. They're just slightly different screw. To install them, it's really simple. You just put the wire in. Obviously, once you've removed yours, put them through like that. Inside the box, they come with screws. They do come disassembled, so you have to just assemble the paddles. Put your screw on there. And what I do is I leave this bit loose here, so it's moving around. I have the screw through, and I just start threading it in. That way, if you let it find its right home, and you keep moving it, make sure you're happy with it, then go to tighten it, it'll make sure it's in the correct position. They're now fitted. You can then adjust the paddle shifter forward and back. That gives, you know, if you've got bigger fingers, smaller fingers, or depending on where you want your paddle shifter, you can adjust that, and that looks like something like that. It looks beautiful. So I'm just gonna assemble the other side and then connect them all up and then find you inside the car. All right, so we're rounding up this video. It's been quite cool, fitting quite a cool steering wheel, and the new paddles. The grip is actually really nice when you're shifting. We're just taking it for a little drive. But yeah, guys and girls, if you've enjoyed this video, check out the other ones. We're continuously pushing mods on these G87s. So check out the other videos below, and yeah, have a good one.